Hey everyone, Chris Nicolason coming to you tonight, and I wanted to give just a day two recap of Trial Lawyers University out here in Vegas, and kind of go over the first 2 days. There's still one more day left, tomorrow morning and afternoon. And so for me, I think Dan Ambrose has really done a great job of bringing not only educators in place, and these are skilled trial attorneys, but people that want to listen and learn. And so for me in my first track, I went through and listened to a couple attorneys talk about jury selection and the psychology of it. And it was absolutely fascinating. And then in the next session I went to on Monday, I got to listen to Nick and Courtney Rowley from Trial by Human, which I went to in the summer, talk about truly the human story, about listening to your clients, listening to the people, and how it's not actually a lot about medical, experts and things like that, people that are getting paid. It's actually more about how has the injuries and the accident or the crash affected the client and their family as a whole. And then came in today and was able to hear a whole case walkthrough from Grayson Good of the Simon Law Group, and it was just absolutely fascinating. Had a case with a client that he absolutely loved and did a lot of background research on, but who was injured, terribly. And so appreciate these people kind of walking through their cases that they've had success on, and the kind of the ways that they work their cases has been absolutely a learning experience for me to be around people that are not only out there advocating for their clients, but honing their craft and how they communicate with jurors, how they talk to the court, how they go about their case preparation. I mean, I know one thing Grayson talked about, he's like, I am detail oriented to a T. And so I'm really hoping to be able to take a lot of this back to Colorado and back to Springs Law Group and really infuse some of this within the firm to be able to take that human story, take that detail, and work that into our cases even better so that we can do more and more for our clients. So that's our goal here. There still is one more day left. And tomorrow, my hope is to be able to see John Romano in the morning, talk about cross examination, and see Keith Mitnick, who's a national trial attorney, talk about his new book, Deeper Cuts, which I am super excited about. Kind of this weird, like, fanboy situation in the legal field when you get to see some of these people live and in person. It's an interesting thing that as you watch people that have had success, but their openness and availability to be able to share has been an absolutely wonderful experience. And so, yeah, that's my first 2 days here. And then I'll report tomorrow on how day three went before I fly back to the Springs. And I will talk to y'all tomorrow. Bye now.